Welcome everybody. In this video I want to show you how you can do the zoom transition in a Hitfilm Express 12. So all you have to do is be in a media, go to effects, right there zoom, and you will have a zoom here. Paste it on your timeline and let's see. This is the one of the effects you can use, and the second one is cross zoom, and let's make it longer. This is really effective if you're gonna make two different shots. That's the most effective way how you can do the zoom transition. Let's say that you have nature and a car, and you're driving with a car, and then the nature, the forest is there, and you would use the cross zoom effect for your video. So this is how you make it. And yep, thank you all everybody, and goodbye.